Welcome to our video series, Learn Rhino 3D in 11 simple ring band projects. In this video, I'll take you through working with two-dimensional shapes. In Rhino, a shape such as a rectangle is actually a polycurve, a number of Rhino curve segments joined together seamlessly. These curves can be drawn through the use of lines, or polylines which connect the line segments, arcs, circles, polygons, and more. Curves can also be drawn using control points. Let's investigate further as we draw a few different shapes. Let's go ahead and maximize front view. Common shapes, including circles, ellipses, and rectangles or squares, can be created by simply using those direct commands. For example, for a circle, I'll input the command, press enter, and now I can draw my circle on the construction plane. For a rectangle, I'll do the same. Enter the rectangle command and draw my rectangle on the construction plane. For other shapes, such as a pentagon, for example, we can use the Polygon tool. I'll enter in the Polygon command, press enter. I'll choose my number of sides. So for a pentagon, we'll put in 5. I'll center the pentagon and draw it out. We can also create simple shapes using the Polyline tool as we join line segments together. For example, I'll enter in the Polyline command and create a simple polygon. Joining the end segments as I finish. Finally, shapes can also be created using curves and control points, with curves passing through those points. If you're familiar with Illustrator, this is much like using a Bezier pen tool. I'll enter in the curve command, and I'll start drawing my control points and the resulting shape. There are many different ways to create shape polycurves, as you can see from this video, by using direct commands, such as in creating rectangles or circles, or using tools such as the Polygon and Polyline command. Stay tuned for the next video, creating 3D shapes.